If mth term of an AP is 1 over n and nth term is 1 over m, then find the sum of its first mn terms. Mn means m into n. So, solution, let A be the first term and D be the common difference of the given AP. Now, by equation, mth term is 1 over n. So, mth term is 1 over n. And we know mth term is symbolized by A base m. Isn't that? Again, this A base m can be replaced by A plus m minus 1d equal to 1 over n. This is from right hand side. Is this clear? Again by equation, nth term is 1 over m. Now, nth term is indicated by an. Isn't this? Now, an means a plus n minus 1 d. The right hand side is copied as it is. Now, we have got two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. We will solve these two equations to get the value of a and d. For this purpose, let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get this line. In this line, left hand side is subtracted from left hand side and right hand side is subtracted from right hand side. Is this clear? Okay. After this, we can open the bracket over here. And since here is minus sign, this minus will change this plus into minus. So you can check over here, we have got minus plus minus a and minus plus minus and minus 1 d. Is this clear? Now this plus a and minus a can be cancelled. Okay. And then here is d, here is d. The d can be taken common. Isn't that? So first of all, let's copy this. Now let's take d common. After taking d common, we are left with m minus 1 and n minus 1. Rest of the terms are copied as it is. We can open this bracket. This bracket also can be opened. And since here is minus sign, this minus sign will change this minus into plus. So after this minus 1 and plus 1 can be cancelled. Then we are left with m minus n only. This m minus n can be sent to other side to divide. That is, we can write it as 1 over m minus n. Now this m minus n can be cancelled. Then we are left with 1 over mn. Means we have found the value of d. Now we need to find the value of a. For this purpose, putting the value of d in equation 1, we get our equation 1 was this one. It was a plus m minus 1 d equal to 1 over n. Now, in place of this d, we are going to keep 1 over mn to get this line. Now, this 1 over mn will multiply both these terms. So, we are going to get m over mn minus 1 over mn. The rest of the terms are copied as it is. From here, we will try to get the value of a. For this purpose, a will be kept in left hand side and rest of the terms will be taken to right hand side. So we will get this line. Now over here, we will take LCM. After taking LCM, we are going to get m minus m plus 1. So this plus m minus m will be cancelled and ultimately a is equal to 1 over mn. So we have found the value of a as well. Now we know sum of mn terms. Why sum of mn terms? Because question is asked to find sum of first mn terms. And we know Sum of mn terms is indicated by s base mn. Isn't this? Again, we know Sn is given by n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now let's replace this n and this n by mn. So on replacing, we are going to get this line. Look, this n is replaced by mn. This n is also replaced by mn. Now here is a, here is d. The value of a is also known and the value of d is also known. So let's input the value of a and value of d. After this 1 over mn, 1 over mn can be taken common. So on taking common, we are getting this portion. The sign of multiplication has come from here, because if there is no sign, we must consider sign of multiplication. After this mn and mn can be cancelled. This mn and this mn can be cancelled. So over here we are left with 1 by 2. Now this bracket can be opened to get mn minus 1. Again 2 minus 1 is 1. So ultimately we are getting 1 over 2 in bracket 1 plus mn, which is our required answer. It means sum of mn terms is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 1 plus mn.